Want to build an incredible physique without spending a single penny on gym memberships or equipment? You're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to start calisthenics at home and transform your body using just one thing: your body weight. Calisthenics isn't just another fitness trend, it's how ancient warriors trained, how gymnasts build superhuman strength, and how you can develop functional muscle, flexibility, and insane core power, all from your living room. Let's start with the big 4 beginner moves. Number 1, push-ups. Start with knee push-ups if needed. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. This builds your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Number 2, squats. Bodyweight squats are king for legs. Keep your chest up, go deep. 3 sets of 15 reps. Number 3, planks. Hold for 30 seconds, build up to 1 minute. This creates an unbreakable core. Number 4, lunges. Alternate legs 10 reps each side. Your legs will thank you later. Here's what separates beginners from champions. 1. Focus on form over reps. 1 perfect push-up beats 10 sloppy ones. 2. Progressive overload. Add 1 to 2 reps every week. Your body adapts when you challenge it. 3. Consistency beats intensity. Train 4 times a week, even if it's just 20 minutes. 4. Rest is when you grow. Take at least 1 full day off between sessions. Once you master the basics, you'll unlock incredible skills: pull-ups, dips, handstands, even muscle-ups. But here's the secret: everyone who can do these started exactly where you are right now. The only difference, they started. Your body is the ultimate gym. No excuses, no equipment needed, just commitment. Start today with 1 push-up, 1 squat, 1 plank. I promise you, 90 days from now, you'll wish you started today. If this fired you up, smash that like button and drop a comment telling me which exercise you're starting with. Let's build that dream physique together. See you in the next one.